Good morning, children. I hope you people are healthy and safe also. You are doing well in your weekly test. Remember here, as the chemistry teachers have completed the topics like haloalkane, haloarine, alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, solutions, and as well as electrochemistry. Today we are going to start the last functional group of organic compound, that is organic compounds containing nitrogen. Children, one thing you need to remember that from haloalkanes to amines, all the conversions are possible. Only the thing is that we need to go for suitable agent, suitable reagent. Then only the conversion are possible from alkyl halide to last one. While completing the syllabus, even we'll see the text question and as well as the questions which has been given as separately as solved and as well as exercise question. Okay. Recently, the board has eliminated diazonium salt from organic compound containing nitrogen. That's why we need to discuss only one functional group, that is amines. 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 What are the bits we need to discuss over here? What are amines? How we are going to classify the amines? Their nomenclature, isomerism, structure of amino group, the methods of preparation, physical properties, chemical properties, uses, and as well as some differentiating tests are there between different types of amino acids. Okay, let us move to one by one. We'll move to what are amines. Okay, we'll start from the definition. What are amines? Amines are the derivatives of ammonia. What are amines, children? Amines are derivatives of ammonia. Ammonia, NH3. Where one or all hydrogen atom, where one or all hydrogen atoms are replaced by corresponding number of alkyl group or aryl group. Concentrate on this sentence, what I said. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia, where one or all, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 hydrogen atoms are there. One or all hydrogen atoms are replaced by corresponding number of what, children? Alkyl or aryl groups. Alkyl or aryl group. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia, where one or all hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by corresponding number of alkyl group or aryl group. When we'll go for the classification, we'll see that based upon number of alkyl group, aryl group, number and as well as nature, how they are going to classify. Now the most important question arises that, okay, why we are going to study amines? What is the reason? Is there any application? Yes. Amines are having different applications, like synthetic application, like pharmaceutical applications. Even they are useful for biomolecules. Do you know, children? Amines are playing very important role for the survival of life. Amines are playing applications. We'll see one by one. Applications of amines, where they are useful. Why we are going to study the topic. Amines are very important role. They are playing very important role once for the survival of life. For the survival of life, amines, the organic compound, are playing very important role. And one more thing here, amines are the creations of amino acid. Amines are what? They are the creation of amino acid. Do you know, children, what are amino acids? Amino acids are building block of proteins. What are amino acids? Amino acids are building blocks of proteins. Block of proteins. Even amines are important in alkaloids. Alkaloids. Even some of the vitamins also contain amino group. It means that, as you might have studied in the biology in first year, biomolecule, amino acid, alkaloid, vitamins and all. It means that amines are very important. They are playing very important role for the survival of life. They are the building blocks of protein because they are able to create amino acid. And amino acids are what? Building block of proteins. Building block of what? Proteins. As you know that proteins are the polymers, amino acids are monomers. And those amino acids are created from where? From amines. Next, they are useful in alkaloid and as well as vitamins. Other than this, even the amines are useful. Even the amines are useful for preparing many synthetic dyes like azo dyes. They are very useful. Once they are useful in this one biomolecule, and the second application as the synthetic application in the preparation of azo dye. In the preparation of azo dye, this is the dyes are nothing but what? The color which has the character to fix on fabrics. They have the character to fix on fabrics. Other than that, even amines are used in the tanning of leather. In the tanning of leather. Tanning of leather. Do you know, children, what is the tanning? Tanning is the process where skin of animal converted into leather. That process is called as tanning. That process is called as tanning. Not only these two applications, even the amines find application as pharmaceutics. That is in the drugs. What are those? That we'll see one by one example. Amines plays very important role in pharmaceutical. That is, in case of pharmaceutical, in case they are used as what, children? They are used as drugs. Pharmaceutical applications. Pharmaceutical applications. Okay. If we'll go for the example, like Benadryl, which can be used as antihistamine drug. Benadryl, which is an antihistamine drug. Antihistamine drug. Antihistamine means what? Which relief from allergy. Antihistamine drug. Even the decongestant. Like ephedra. This also contains what? Amino. Even they can use that for anesthetic purpose as Novocaine. Okay, Novocaine. Even they are used as Sorrentine as a what, children, tell me? Neurotransmitter drug. Neurotransmitter drug. Neurotransmitter drug. Okay, so it means that even we have one more drug is like adrenaline and the ephedrine, which is used to increase the blood pressure. So as a whole, what we want to discuss that amines are playing very important role not only in biomolecule, synthetic and as well as pharmaceutical. It means that for all these reasons only we are going to study the topic amines. Okay, so let us move to the next part of the topic, that is we will continue from the definition of amines. As I said earlier that amines are the derivatives of ammonia where one or all hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. They are replaced by what, children? Alkyl group or aryl group. Let us make the flow chart over here. This is ammonia, NH3. NH3, ammonia, where in the definition what I said, how many hydrogen atoms are replaced, that many number of corresponding number of alkyl group or aryl group has to be replaced over here. That means that amines, ammonia, if they are going to replace one of the hydrogen atom by alkyl group or aryl group, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. They are represented as RNH2. They are represented as what, children? RNH2. Same way, if the two hydrogen atoms are replaced, corresponding number of carbon atom has to be substituted over there. They are going to form what, children? Secondary amine. Actually, this is called as primary and this is secondary. Later we'll see. Same way, all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three alkyl group. All the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by what, children? Three alkyl group. They are going to form what? R3N. That means that amines are the derivatives of ammonia where 1, 2, 3. Okay? We can understand from the flow chart very easily that 1, 2 or 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by corresponding number of alkyl group or aryl group. So in a simple way we can say that whenever the one hydrogen atom is replaced, they are called as primary amine. 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced, they are called as secondary amine. 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced, they are called as what, children? Tertiary amine. Okay? So we can say that based upon the flow chart, whenever the NH3, that is ammonia, they are replacing one of the hydrogen atom by alkyl or aryl group, they are replacing 2 hydrogen atom by alkyl or aryl group, or 3 hydrogen atom by alkyl or aryl group. Okay, this will come under what, children? This will come under classification. To understand the definition, I have made it a flow chart over here. Let us move to classification of amines. Classification of amines. There are different ways are there. There are different factors are there based on which amines are going to be classified. Many factors are there based on which amines are going to be classified. One of the factor is on the basis of number of alkyl group or aryl group. Many factors are there to classify the amines. The first factor, the first most important factor is on the basis of number of alkyl group or aryl group. Number of alkyl group or what, children? Number of aryl group. Number of alkyl group or number of aryl group. Number of alkyl group or number of aryl group. So here we can say that instead of saying number of alkyl group or aryl group, even we can say that number of hydrogen atoms replaced by alkyl group or aryl group also we can call. They are classified as primary amine. They are classified as what? Primary amines. Primary amines represented as 1 degree. Second one, secondary amines. They are represented as what? 2 degree. Third, tertiary amines. They are represented as 3 degree. So what we can say, on the basis of number of alkyl group or aryl group, they are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Let us move to the one by one in detail. What are primary amines along with the example? What are secondary amines? Along with examples, we'll go one by one. Here, whenever we are going to classify the amines, different factor, as I said earlier, one of the most important factor is on the basis of number of alkyl alkyl group or aryl group, they are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary amines. What are primary amines? What are primary amines? What are primary amines? Primary amines are one which contain only one alkyl group or one aryl group directly linked to nitrogen. How to represent? R with NH. R may be alkyl group, R may be aryl group. R may be alkyl group or it may be what? Aryl. Only one of the, in other way we can say like this also. Only one of the hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. They are called as primary amine. They are called as what? Primary amine. Example. Simplest example. Let us move to the simplest example containing one carbon atom. That is CH3NH2. Called as what? Methyl amine. Methyl amine. Methyl amine. This may be R may be aliphatic, may be aromatic as I said. It may be alkyl group, it may be aryl group. So it means that we can take even the example benzene with NH2. That is aniline. Benzene with NH2 group is what, children? Aniline. So it means that it is, the condition is that only one of the hydrogen atom of ammonia replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. Alkyl group or aryl group. They are called as primary amine. Like the example like methylamine, ethylamine, propylamine. We can go with any number of examples. If we are taking the parental chain as isopropyl group containing amine, so we can call it as isopropyl amine. How we can call it as isopropyl amine? So we can say that whenever we are going to consider with respect to primary amine, okay, we need to concentrate that only one of the hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. Only one hydrogen atom. Or in a simple way, we can say that only one alkyl group or aryl group are directly linked to nitrogen. They are called as primary amine. Now let us move to the second one. What are secondary amines? With the definition, you might have got the answer that secondary amines are those where two hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by what? Alkyl group or aryl group. We can write the next one, second one, as secondary amine. Secondary amines. Secondary amines. As we have said that primary amines are represented by what? RH2. Same way, in case of secondary amine, two alkyl group or aryl group are directly linked to nitrogen. Means R, N, H. R dash. R and R dash may be alkyl group, may be aryl group, they may be same, they may be different. Okay, they may be same, they may be different. But remember here, two hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. Two hydrogen atoms should be replaced. They are called as what, children? Secondary amine. Actually, whenever we are going to write R dash NH group, they are also called as imino group. They are called as what? Imino group also we can call. Imino group also we can call. So here we can say that this R and R dash may be same, may be different, may be aliphatic, may be aromatic. Let us move to the example. Like both may be methyl group. Both may be methyl. They are called as what? Dimethylamine. 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 One may be aliphatic, one may be aromatic. They may be same, they may be different, as I said. Another example, one is a methyl, nitrogen with hydrogen. Another is ethyl. They are called as ethyl methylamine. How we can call them? Ethyl methylamine. They can call it as ethyl methyl amine. So what we can say, whenever the secondary amine comes, we can represent it by 2 degree. Primary amines are represented as 1 degree. Secondary amines are represented as 2 degree. So it means that where 2 hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by alkyl group or aryl. 2 hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. They are called as secondary amine. And this NH group we can call it as amino group. NH2 group as we have called it as amines, amino group. This is amino group. So we can say that 2 alkyl group or the aryl group may be same, may be different. Even we can take with respect to aryl also. One is a benzene, another may be methyl group. Another may be methyl group. So we can say, we can call it as methyl phenyl. Methyl phenyl amine. Methyl phenyl amine. Methyl phenyl amine. So we can say that whenever we are going to convert, whenever we are going to replace 2 hydrogen atom of ammonia by alkyl group or aryl group, they are called as secondary amines. Same way, tertiary amine, where all the 3 hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. All the 3 hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. Those are named as what? They are named as tertiary amines. They are named as what? Tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. Tertiary amines are named as 3D. They are abbreviated as 3D. All the 3 hydrogen atoms are with the nitrogen. One may be R dash, other may be R double dash. They may be same, they may be different. R dash and R double dash. They may be same, they may be different. They may be alkyl or they may be aryl. So we can say that whenever we are going to consider this nitrogen is called as tertiary nitrogen. These are called as tertiary nitrogen. This is one of the way to represent water. To represent what? Tertiary amines. So what we can say, according to the tertiary amine, where all the 3 hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. Let us write the example. CH3, N, CH3 and CH3. That is trimethyl amine. How we can name it as? Trimethyl amine. Trimethyl amine. All the 3 may be different. Okay? One may be methyl. Okay? Another one may be ethyl. One may be propyl. One may be methyl, ethyl, propyl. According to alphabetical order, we will write ethyl. Okay? We will write it as ethyl, methyl, propyl, amine. Ethyl, methyl, propyl, amine. So we can say that based upon the number of replacement of hydrogen atom of ammonia by alkyl group or aryl group, they are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. One thing you observe over here, children, that while defining secondary and primary, tertiary, just to observe both the general representation is on the board. Here, as I said, right, R and R dash may be same, may be different. Here also I said R dash and the R double dash may be same, may be different. What happens if they are same? What happens if they are different? If they are same, they are called as simple amines. If they are different, they are called as simple amine. If they are same, they are called as simple amine. If they are different, they are called as mixed amine. They may be aliphatic, they may be aromatic. So we can say that secondary and tertiary amines. What we can say? secondary and tertiary amines depending upon the molecular formula for R dash and R double dash. They may be simple amine, they may be mixed amines. What we can say? Secondary and tertiary amines based upon the what molecular formula of R dash and R double dash. They may be simple amines, they may be mixed amines. They may be simple amines or they may be what children? Mixed amines. Name itself indicates simple amines are one where R dash and R double dash are same. They are having the same molecular formula but mixed amines are having different. For example, if some of the examples are there on the board, with respect to those examples only we go. Here, in case of the secondary amine, R and R dash are same. R and R dash are same. That's why these are named as what? Simple amines. They are named as what children? Simple amines. And these two are different. They are called as what? Mixed amines. They are called as what? Mixed amines. Even this is also an example of what? Mixed amines. So it means that not only this one secondary, if I am going to write tertiary also, CH3 and CH3, CH3. All the three alkyl groups are same. Okay, they too are named as simple amines. So what we can say? Only secondary and tertiary. Don't look after for primary. Because in the case of primary, only one alkyl group or aryl group will be there. Then no question arises for simple and mixed amine. So we can say that whenever the R dash, R double dash, or the R and R dash in case of secondary amine, if they are same, they are called as simple amine. If they are different, they are called as mixed amine. So here we can say that based upon the classification, amines are classified on the basis of what children? On the basis of number of alkyl group or aryl group. On the basis of number of alkyl group or aryl group, they are classified as what? Primary, secondary and tertiary. Now the question arises that if R is only alkyl, maybe primary, maybe secondary, maybe tertiary, that means that depending upon the nature of carbon chain, they may be derived from alkyl, they may be derived only from aryl, they may contain what? Alkyl. It means that the second classification is on the basis of nature of carbon chain. Nature of carbon chain, which are directly linked with the nitrogen, they are classified as alkylamine, arylamine, and alkylamine. They are classified as what? Second classification. First class, as we have discussed, on the basis of number of alkyl group or aryl. Now let us move to what children? On the basis of nature of. On the basis of nature of parental chain. Nature of carbon chain. And alkylamine. Alkylamine, and the second one arylamine, and the third one is alkyl amines. Alkylamine, arylamine, and alkyl amine. Name itself indicates that alkyl group are directly linked to nitrogen. They are called as alkyl amine. Alkyl group is directly linked to nitrogen. For example, CH3NH2. Okay. C2H5NH2. Methylamine, this is ethylamine. Methylamine or ethylamine. Don't think that whenever we are going to write alkylamine, we have to write only with respect to water. What? Primary. Even we can write with respect to what? Secondary also. Secondary also. CH3NH, C2H5. Even we can write with respect to tertiary also. So we can say that whenever they are containing, whenever the nitrogen atom is directly linked to alkyl group, nitrogen atom is directly linked to alkyl group, maybe primary, maybe secondary, maybe tertiary. They are called as what? Alkyl amine. Whereas in case of arylamine, where aromatic ring is directly linked to nitrogen. So we are going to call it as like benzene containing NH2, like aniline. We can call it as water, aniline. Another way, benzene containing nitrogen with ethyl group. Okay, so we can call it as what, children? Aryl. Here we are going to take alkyl also, we are going to take aryl also. That we can consider water, aliphatic, aromatic, but it will be mixed amine. C6H5, diphenylamine. Okay, we are going to discuss purely arylamine. That's why I have brought the C2H5, because C2H5 we are taking, it will be the mixture of what, children? Aliphatic also, aromatic also. Separately we will see only aryl. R-alkyl amine, where NH2 group is linked to side chain to benzene, like benzyl group. This is benzyl containing NH2 group, called as benzyl amine. Called as what, children? Benzyl amine. So we can say, even we can take dibenzylamine also, which is a secondary. Dibenzylamine. So we can say that based upon the nature of the carbon chain, completely alkyl, they are called as alkylamine. They are aromatic, they are called as arylamine. And the nitrogen is a side chain to benzene. They are called as alkyl amine. So in a simple way, we can say that amines are classified on the basis of, first point, on the basis of what? On the basis of number of alkyl group or aryl group, they are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. In that case, secondary and tertiary are further classified as simple amine and mixed amine. Whereas on the basis of nature of carbon chain, they may be alkyl, they may be aryl, they may be alkyl amine. Children, have you remember that in case of equilibrium we said, whenever the nitrogen, that is whenever we are going to write a molecule with lone pair of electron, like amines, as we have written, like amines, maybe primary, maybe secondary, maybe tertiary. Okay, this additional point we need to remember that all these are containing lone pair of electrons on nitrogen. Due to presence of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen, they behave as what? Lewis base. They behave as what, children? Lewis base. And one more thing you need to remember that due to presence of lone pair of electron on nitrogen, even amines have the character to form quaternary ammonium salt. They have the character to form what, children? Quaternary ammonium salts. What are those quaternary ammonium salts? We'll see. Quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salt, which are derived from ammonium salt only. Okay, which are derived from ammonium salt. You may be remembering that ammonium salts are usually represented as, for example, ammonium chloride. All the four hydrogen atom of ammonium salt are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. Alkyl group or aryl group are 4. Okay, this will get a positive charge X minus. Even we can write it as, we can write the example as tetramethyl ammonium iodide. What we can call tetramethyl ammonium iodide. Write the name. Tetramethyl ammonium iodide. This 4R will be maybe same, maybe different. That we need to remember. Okay, this is what the name tetramethyl ammonium iodide. Ammonium iodide. Even we can take 3 group, will take same. Triethyl, okay, triethyl, methyl, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. This is triethyl, methyl, ammonium hydroxide. Okay, this is also an example of what? Quaternary ammonium salt. So what I mean to say that at the last, that amines are not only they are classified as primary, secondary, tertiary amine, or on the basis of the nature of carbon atom as alkyl, aryl, or the alkyl amine, due to presence of lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen, even they have the character to form quaternary ammonium salt. They have the character to form quaternary ammonium salt. These are quaternary ammonium salt. These are not amines. That you need to remember. That's why I said at the last. Okay, so we can remember that due to presence of lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen, maybe primary, maybe secondary, maybe tertiary amine. They behave as what, children? Lewis bases. They behave as what? Lewis bases. Let us move to the important part of the topic, that is nomenclature. As in the first year, we have discussed many rules to decide the name of organic compound, like the longest chain, lowest locant, alphabetical order, sum of lowest locant, all these we have discussed. But remember here, amines are having little bit different name. Method is little bit changed depending upon the nature of amine. If it is a aliphatic, that is primary amine, way of naming is different as compared to secondary amine and tertiary. Let us move to one by one. Make the heading as nomenclature of amines. Nomenclature of amines. Children, go on writing the points over there, because without writing we can't understand. And remember one thing, we are going to solve questions from text also. That's why writing is must. Go on writing the points. It will help you a lot while solving the text question. Okay, we'll move to what? Nomenclature. Nomenclature of amines. Nomenclature of amines. As we know very well that there are the 2 ways are there to decide the name. One will be common name, and another one will be aliphatic system. Okay. Common system. Second method is what? IUPAC system. IUPAC system. According to common name, amines are named as alkyl amine. Amines are named as what? Alkyl amine. And as we know that primary amine contain only one alkyl group. Primary amine contain what, children? Only one alkyl group. We can call it as, according to the common system, they are called as primary amines are named as alkyl amine or aryl amine. Alkyl amine or aryl amine. According to common system. According to common system, they are called as alkyl amine or aryl amine primary. Whereas the secondary can be named as dialkyl amine. Dialkyl amine. After completing all this, we'll make the tabular column. You can understand better. So we can say that dialkyl amine. Whereas the tertiary are known as trialkyl amines. Trialkyl amine. Remember one thing, whenever we are writing dialkyl and the trialkyl, we need to give the, because R and R dash may be same, may be different. That time we need to follow alphabetical order. According to IUPAC system, very important. According to IUPAC system, primary amines are named as alkyl amine. They are named as what, children? Alkyl amine. Whereas secondary are named as N-alkyl amine. N-alkyl amine. Tertiary N dialkyl amine. No vowel should be repeated over here. That's why I don't write alkanamine. Write it as alkanamine only. So what we can say, according to IUPAC system, primary amines are named as alkanamine, secondary amines are named as N-alkyl alkanamine, and the tertiary amines are named as N-dialkyl alkanamine. One thing you need to remember here, that children, longest chain should be parental chain. Longest chain should be parental chain. For example, if they contain methyl group and ethyl group linked to nitrogen, ethyl should be considered it as parental chain, methyl should be considered it as substituent. Okay, we'll move to the example one by one. Before going to the example, let me clear to you once again. According to the common system, secondary are named as dialkyl amine, tertiary are trialkyl amine. Remember one thing, even they contain aryl group also. They may be simple amine, they may be mixed amine, as we said earlier. Then, same way for the IUPAC system, primary amines are named as alkanamine, secondary are named as N-alkyl alkanamine, and the tertiary are named as N-dialkyl alkanamine. Longest chain should be parental chain. That we need to remember. Okay, so let us move to the tabular column. With the tabular column, with examples, we can understand better. With the three columns over here. First column is molecular formula, next is common name, and the third is what the IUPAC system. We will make a three column molecular formula. Molecular formula, common name, third column is what the IUPAC. Okay. If we are going to write the example, like CH3NH2. Simultaneously, we will write the class also primary, secondary, and tertiary. These are the methylamine, where in H2 group it comes under which class? Primary amine. According to the common system, they are called as what, children? Methylamine. They are called as methylamine. And according to IUPAC system, how we can call it? That is methylamine. Methylamine. If we are going to write the other example, like CH3, CH, CH3, NH2. This comes under again primary. This comes under what again? Primary. According to the common system, isopropyl amine. Isopropyl amine, because this chain is isopropyl group. Isopropyl amine. So what we can call IUPAC name? Tell me. Propan-2 amine. Propan-2 amine. Propan-2 amine. Same way, CH3, NH, C2H5. According to what it is, which type of amine it is, nitrogen containing 2 alkyl group. Nitrogen containing 1 hydrogen. It comes under what, children? Secondary amine. It comes under secondary amine. Ethyl methyl amine. According to common system, ethyl methyl amine. Ethyl methyl amine. And according to IUPAC system, N-alkyl alkanamine we said. Parental chain is ethyl group. Parental chain is what, children? Ethyl group. That's why we can call it as what? N-methyl ethanamine. N-methyl what? Ethanamine. N-methyl ethanamine. Okay? Same way. Is it visible now? 3 methyl groups are there. 3 methyl. We can take one ethyl methyl propyl also, that will take the next step. This comes under which type of class? Tertiary amine. Trimethyl amine. What we can call? Trimethyl amine. Trimethyl amine. Even we can call it as, according to IUPAC system, NN. Dimethyl methanamine. N dimethyl methanamine. And dimethyl methanamine. Okay, so we can say that based upon primary, secondary, and tertiary we can be. If we are going to take the tertiary amine containing one side CH3 and C2H5, this will be C3H7. Okay, according to common system, you can call it as ethyl. According to common system, ethyl, methyl, propyl, what? Amine. Whereas according to the IUPAC system, parental chain is propanamine. Parental chain is what, children? Propanamine. We can call it as N-ethyl, okay? N-methyl propanamine. N-methyl, alphabetical order we need to follow. N-methyl, propanamine. N-methyl, propanamine. Now we'll take other than this. This comes under which class? Tertiary. Now we'll go to the some of the examples which are containing parental chain, which is derived from what? Aromatic. Let us move to some of the examples. Instead of alkyl group, they may contain aryl group. Okay. If I am going to take benzene, they are directly containing nitrogen. Aniline. Aniline is a common name as well as IUPAC name. Some of the organic compound, some of the names are there which are common in IUPAC system and as well as in common system, as we said in first year. And the examples we are going to study in second year also. Some of the molecule common name and IUPAC name are same. Like that, one of the example is aniline. Aniline can be named as common name and as well as IUPAC name. Other than that, even we can write it as common system, phenylamine. Is it primary, secondary or tertiary, children? Yes, it is primary. This is named as, one more name, benzanamine. Once in the KCT they have asked the question that what is the IUPAC name of aniline? Okay, aniline they have asked because aniline is a IUPAC name. Aniline itself is a IUPAC name, but one more IUPAC name is benzene. Another point, if I am going to take secondary amine CH3, and this is hydrogen as secondary. According to common system, we can call it as methyl also, phenyl also. Two are present over here. We can call it as methyl phenyl amine. Methyl phenyl amine. Methyl phenyl amine. It is a what children? Secondary. So how to name them? We can name it as N-methyl aniline or N-methyl benzamine. N-methyl benzamine. N-methyl benzamine. Okay, so we can say that whenever we are going to write, remember one thing, whenever we are going to write the IUPAC name, need to concentrate on the nature. Without understanding the nature, don't go for writing IUPAC system. If I am going to take the tertiary, where the two phenyl groups will be present. Okay, one side we may be having methyl. This comes under which class? Tertiary amine. This comes under what? Tertiary amine. That's why we can call, according to the common system, this is two phenyl group RB. This is methyl. So what we can call? Methyl diphenyl amine. Methyl diphenyl amine. According to the IUPAC system, how we can call? Parental chain is benzamine. This is parental chain. This is benzamine is a parental chain. N-methyl, N-phenyl benzamine. N-methyl, okay, N-phenyl, what children? Benzamine. Benzamine. So what we can say, on the basis of nature of the primary, secondary, tertiary, we can name them. And remember one thing, whenever amino group is linked to carbon-carbon multiple bond, like allylic carbon active, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 NH2. Okay, according to common system, they are called as, according to common system, because NH2 group is linked to sp3 hybridized, which is next to sp2. According to common system, they are called as what? Allylic amine. But according to IUPAC system, numbering can be given in this way: 1, 2, 3. Okay, prop 2 in 1 amine. So we can say that on the basis of nature of the amino group, we can name them as alkyl amine, even dialkyl amine according to common system, and trialkyl amine. But on the basis of primary, secondary, and tertiary, IUPAC name are little bit typical. That's why whenever you are going to write, remember one thing, many questions they have given in the NCERT exercise. That's why better that today you go for solving the example. Go for simultaneously whatever we are covering the syllabus in the class, simultaneously you go on solving the example. Okay, so here whichever the typical examples are there, those examples we'll discuss in the class. But remaining example, when you are going to solve yourself, you'll get a clear picture over here. Because most of the time, now they have reduced the syllabus, they have eliminated diazonium salt. But earlier they used to ask amines and diazonium salt together. Amines, one question they used to ask in the 1 mark, usually based upon IUPAC system. Usually based upon what? IUPAC system. So we can say that on the basis of the IUPAC system, naming can be decided on the basis of what children? By knowing the nature of amine. Without knowing the nature of the amine, we cannot go for answer. Okay, the next bit of the topic is structure of amino group. Structure of what? Amino group. But before that, one NCERT text question. One NCERT text question we will solve. NCERT text question is there. 13.1. What they have asked over there? Simple question. What they have asked that in the text question. If you have textbook, just open it and see 13.1 in text question. 13.1 in text question, they have asked to identify the primary, secondary and tertiary amines. They have asked in the in-text question that to understand 13.1. 13.1 in-text question. 13.1. What they have asked over there, I'm reading from this one book only. Classify the following into primary, secondary or tertiary amine. There they are given 4 examples. Alright, one by one example. Naphthalene containing amino group. Okay. 4 examples they are given in the textbook. If you have textbook, just open it and see 13.1. Okay, third example. C2H5 twice NH. And fourth example, C2H5 twice CHNH2. This is the text question. One thing you need to remember here, children, that solving text question, exercise question will make you perfect for theory and as well as for competitive exam. Here, what they have asked the question that to identify primary, secondary and tertiary amine. One of the hydrogen atom of ammonia replaced by benzene ring, that is naphthalene. This comes under what? Primary amine. This comes under what, children? Primary amine. Here, all the 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced. One side we are having 2 alkyl group, other side we are having naphthalene chain. It comes under what? Tertiary amines. It comes under what, children? Tertiary amine. Same way, 2 hydrogen atom of ammonia replaced by alkyl group comes under secondary amines. Comes under what? Secondary amines. Here you can see we are having one of the hydrogen. Don't look at the carbon, look at the nitrogen. Only nitrogen we need to concentrate. Okay? When the nitrogen, one hydrogen is replaced by this, it is a primary amine. This is one of the simple text question, that is 13.1. First text question. Okay? Then tomorrow we are going to discuss related with water, structure of amino group and as well as isomerism. Actually, isomerism separately they have not mentioned in NCERT book, but in the 13.2 text question, they have asked this one, the text question, they have asked questions related with isomerism. That's why tomorrow we'll continue with what, children? Isomerism. Okay, I hope this one you might have understood all this one, whatever I have explained today. If any doubts are there, just you post on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you one and all.